Good morning. I'm Pampered with Diamonds with a completion for you. This is the rabbit from Charteks. There's the company logo. It's from the Animal Baby series. It's considered a paint by number, even though they're diamond. They have diamond stickers. There's 36 sheets. It comes on this cardstock, which has no adhesive on it. The drills have the adhesive on it. And the way you work it is you go on the outside, push them out, outside, push them out, outside, push them out. Some of these diamonds, like some of them had shifted when we got the package. Let's see. Don't see any, but this is all we had left over. We had quite a bit. We did have enough to complete the project. They were easy to read, and my mother-in-law thoroughly enjoyed this process. She loves this concept. She does not like dealing with wax or putty, and this was a game changer for her. Well, she did have to use the wax for inside the pen, but she didn't have to deal with the plastic sheet, and she didn't have to deal with her arm going on the canvas and worried about glue or anything like that. This was super simple for her. She really enjoyed it. My only complaint is it's beautiful, especially from afar. You can see the flowers and you can tell it's a bunny. I enjoyed it, but I wish the face had more definition. The face, to me, it's missing something. I wish this company would do more with florals or maybe candy on a table, but don't do faces. I want to try something that doesn't have a face in it, because I liked the flowers, liked the background. Let's try something without a face. This is an amazing concept, amazing idea. Please don't take this as negative criticism. It is not. I just, like I said, for myself personally, I just wish the face had more definition. But other than that, I think the ears came out good. I think the body came out good. The flowers were good. Just the face. Okay, that is my honest review from Charteks. What did you get? And did you finish yours? Have a wonderful day. Be kind.